Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to separate mud from water. We will explore effective techniques to clarify turbid water, focusing on practical methods. Understanding these processes is crucial for various applications, from water purification to industrial processes. We will cover the fundamental principles behind each step, ensuring you grasp the science. Let's dive into the first method, which is often the initial step in clarifying muddy water. Sedimentation is the initial step where gravity does most of the work. Simply allow the muddy water to sit undisturbed for several hours or even overnight. The heavier mud particles, being denser than water, will slowly sink to the bottom of the container, forming a distinct layer. Once the mud has settled, carefully decant the clearer water from the top, leaving the settled mud behind. This process can remove a significant amount of suspended solids. After sedimentation and decantation, filtration is often the next crucial step to achieve even clearer water. This method involves passing the water through a filter medium, such as a coffee filter, a piece of cloth, or a sand bed. The filter's tiny pores physically block the remaining suspended mud particles, allowing only the water to pass through. For very fine particles, using multiple layers or finer filter materials can achieve optimal clarity. For extremely fine mud particles that resist settling or filtration, flocculation can be a powerful enhancement. This involves adding a small amount of a chemical agent, like alum, to the muddy water. These agents cause the tiny, suspended mud particles to clump together, forming larger, heavier aggregates called flocks. These flocks then settle much more quickly and are easier to filter out, dramatically improving the overall clarity of the water.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.